Hey guys, today let us explore set and let in functions in Qlik. Basically, these two functions are used to declare a variable. Okay, even as you could see here in the main tab, there are many variables declared using set. Okay, so similarly, we can use let. The difference is whatever is assigned to set. Okay, let's say I have this variable v static. Whatever is assigned to this variable after equal to is going to remain static unless and until we evaluate it in the UI. So when I say 3 plus 4, it is going to remain as a static value 3 plus 4 assigned to this variable. Okay. Whereas if I say let and then 3 plus 4, this is going to get evaluated. The portion after this equal to this part is going to get evaluated. So it will be 3 plus 4, 7 will be assigned to this variable. Okay. So that's the difference between set and let. Let me quickly reload this. Okay, with the help of a text box, let's quickly validate that. So let me add v static. I will also add v dynamic, true variables. So as you could see, this is evaluated already. We could see 7 here, whereas this still remains 3 plus 4 as a static value. It is treated as a static string, right? But I can evaluate it in the UI wherever I want with the help of a dollar sign. Okay, when I say dollar of this variable, now this is going to get evaluated. 3 plus 4 will return 7. Okay, but unless and until I evaluate this, it's going to remain static. Okay, so this can be used in many other scenarios. So let's say I want to know the maximum year, or the latest year. Okay, so let's say I'm using today function, I'm deriving year out of it. Okay, so today will give me the today's date, and year will give me the year portion of it, which is 2024. Okay, let me use the same formula in both the variables. Let's see how it works. Okay, I will remove this dollar sign. Now let me reload this. Okay, so now as you could see, this let has already evaluated the formula and it returns 2024, whereas this still remains as a static string. So now I have to force it and evaluate it through with the help of dollar symbol. So dollar of v static will evaluate this and will return 2024. Okay, so hope we got some basic understanding of set and let and where how it can be used. Please do let me know in the comment section for any clarification. Thanks for watching.